Today, we're going to show you how to perform installation and basic setup of the Garmin OnDeck system. For this video, you will need the GTB10 black box, the 2-pin power cable, the antennas and their covers, and the 19-pin in-out cable. You will also need tools for making electrical connections. This will vary by boat and are not included. You will also want to try to mount the GTB10 above the waterline and in a location with direct access to the sky. If this is not possible, you will need to use an external GPS antenna. This is purchased separately. After mounting the device, you must orientate both antennas pointing toward the sky for the best reception. First, remove the black rubber cap from the connector on the GTB10. Then, loosely attach the antenna to the connector and orientate it towards the sky. While holding the antenna in the correct position, finger tighten the antenna nut. Using the included wrench, rotate the nut another 45 degrees to fully tighten the antenna nut. Then, place the cover over the connector and secure it using the small screw and included number 0 screwdriver. Repeat these steps on the second antenna. Next, we will connect the GTB10 to power. For proper monitoring when away from your boat, you will want to connect the power cable directly to the battery. Do not remove the included inline fuse holder and fuse. For our purposes, we are using a regulated power source block, but you would connect to your vessel's battery. First, route the cable from the power source to the device. Then, connect the red power wire to the positive battery terminal. Next, connect the black wire to the negative battery terminal. Then, connect the power cable to the GTB10 and turn the locking collar clockwise to tighten it. Now we will connect the boat in use wire. This is part of the 19-pin in-out cable. The boat in use wire allows the GTB10 to remain in full power mode when on the boat. If the GTB10 is not in full power mode, it could prevent you from connecting to the vessel Wi-Fi network. When a GTB10 is installed, it becomes the Wi-Fi host for the rest of the Garmin equipment and must be in full power mode for use with the Active Captain app. Connect the 19-pin cable to the GTB10 black box. The boat in use wire is the white and violet wire on the 19-pin in-out cable. You will connect this wire to a 1-amp fuse in the positive side of the switched boat accessories power. You are going to want this connected to the switch side of the breaker or battery switch you would use to turn on your boat's electronic equipment, such as your chart plotter. Finally, connect the black wire from the in-out cable to the negative side of the same power source you connected the white and violet wire to. And that's it. Thanks for watching. On screen and in the description is a link to setting up the accessories on a Garmin OnDeck system. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.